Okay, here's the first problem on the calculator permitted portion of the test. Our task is to solve the system, express the answer as a ordered quadruple with W, X, Y, and Z. I've written the system down. I've included a 0W here. I've also included a 0Z down there, though they weren't given in the original problem, but because we want the variables to be W, X, Y, Z, I've done that. We can do this all on the calculator two ways. One is to go ahead and express the coefficients as a matrix A, and then the variables as a matrix X, and then the constants as just these numbers here, 5, 0, 7, 2. You know, we've done this before. If this was called matrix A and this was called matrix X, then we can get the constant over here by simply multiplying the constant by the inverse of A. So what I've done, if you look at the calculator, I've put in, I think we can get this, I've put in the matrix A as a 4 by 4 there, and the column matrix, the 5, 0, 7 halves, and -2. And now the task is just to go on the calculator and do A inverse B. I've called it B over there, I called it C. But A inverse B should give me my variables W, X, Y, Z. Let me run over to the computer and do that. Okay, so here's my A inverse and times my B, and I have the answer there. It looks like W is going to be X. So again, they did ask us to give us the solution as an ordered quadruple. So I got 3, I got a half, I got -1, and I have 0. So W, X, Y, Z, that would be the solution to that system. There is another way of doing this using reduced row echelon form. You might have recalled that from Algebra 2. Let me go and modify equation or matrix A. Instead of a 4 by 4, I'm going to make it a 4 by 5. Throw in the constants on the right-hand side, and then we'll just do reduced row echelon form in the matrix algebra or matrix math if you want, and that will also give us the solution. So let me go over there and again modify A, and then we'll go from there. Let's see. Four by 5. Okay, so we just have to add this last column, 5, 0, 3.5, that's the 7 halves, and -2. Okay? So just to sort of see what we've got here, this now is our new matrix A. It has all the original coefficients, right? So the 0, 4, -3, 2, that's in the original problem, but now I've appended sort of as an extra column the coefficients there. And then to solve this using the matrix approach on the calculator, jump into matrix, math. I'm going to go down to reduced row echelon form, right there. And so we throw matrix A in again. Okay, so what the calculator is doing here, there's a program that does row reduction. Notice that The left-hand side of this is your identity matrix, and there's your solution. The 3, the 1/2, the -1/0. So either one of those approaches is valid for this problem. It's just find the solution of that system using your calculator. So you can do A inverse times C, or you can do reduced row echelon form. You still have to put in the same numbers, and then just go approach. This is reduced row echelon form of A.